Well, it seems like the remove from feed option still isn't working. Obviously, the person that's in charge of fixing that doesn't watch my videos.
I wonder what's in here. Look what I found. Some kind of little nature trail or something. This is interesting. I wonder where it goes. Well, looks like I'm about to find out. I'm gonna follow this, see where it goes, show you some interesting parts along the way, if there are any. This trail isn't too far into nature because you got the river right there and train tracks right there. So I am not too far away from civilization. I can actually get out of here and go back, but I don't want to. I want to see where this leads. That's pretty sad. Looks like somebody is or was living here at one point. I don't know. And all that there, and then go back here. There's more in there. It's crazy. See? It's just nuts. Stuff all around in here. Honestly, it really hurts to see stuff like that. You know, I don't know why the government doesn't do something to make affordable housing for everyone so they don't have to live like this. That's just crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, seriously, is there something someone can do for these people? Or maybe they choose to live like that, maybe they're forced to live like that. Who knows? I mean, until you actually talk to the person face to face, you don't know what's going through their head as to why they're there. So I don't know. But I've reached an open spot in the trail, so I'm gonna get right back in there in a little bit. So yeah, hopefully there'll be more to show you. Now that's just beautiful right there. Nice little boat riding by, docks and everything. And you look over here and it's all gross crap in here. Look at that. Dead trees and gross stuff and pretty water. Well, it looks like I'm coming off of the trail and see where it ends up. What the hell is that? Whoa. Well, it looks like you're gonna have to tune in next time to see where I am and what's gonna happen next. Tomorrow's Frantic Friday, so I guess part 2 of this will be on Saturday. So take it easy.